Hello everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Thursday. We got some naughty knickers. We have naughty knickers. Before I start, two things about naughty knickers. Number one is I have a code. I'll leave it in the description box down below. I'll put it right here. But if you've never signed up for naughty knickers and you go in through my code, you get a free pair of panties. And I get a free pair of panties. And this brings me to the second part that I want to talk about before I get into the video. Whenever somebody goes in through my code and I get that free pair of panties, I save them. Naughty Knickers allows me to put it in a bank. And when I get enough for like a subscription, which is 3 pairs, then I do a giveaway. So that's what happens when somebody goes in through my code. I give it back to somebody who's never had naughty knickers before. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be picking the winner for a giveaway I had in October. When I unboxed my naughty knickers in October, I said, hey, there's a giveaway, enter. And all you had to do to enter was say, let me know if you've never had naughty knickers before. You can enter the giveaway, and I just need it like how to get in touch with you. But pretty much I know who you guys are, the people who comment on my videos and stuff, so it's easy to get in touch with some of you. Anyway, so I will be picking the winner of the October naughty knickers giveaway at the end of this video, and all I'm going to need from you is your address, your size, and what type of package you would like, which gets us into naughty knickers. The sizes range from extra small to 3X. There's 3 different kinds of packages. There is naughty, which is all thongs. There's sugar and spice, which is thongs and regular panties. And then there's the ones that I get, and they're called the nice package, and that's like the regular panties. And you'll be able to see that as I'm unboxing my envelope. So, but I also want to say, make sure you guys check out Naughty Knickers because they have some amazing extras. I'm going to leave a few of the pictures of their extras right here. They have some cute little underwear and panty sets. They have gorgeous silk house coat, like a robe, a summer's robe. They have a black and pink one. They have a cute little baby doll set, which I have. I love that. Oh, God, they got so much stuff, so much extras. I just want to see if there was something new for the holiday. I know I showed last week what was new for the holiday. Oh, they got this beautiful Midnight Bloom set. Love that one. They got the Mrs. Claus bodysuit. That's 20 bucks. The Girl Who Stole Christmas is a beautiful green bra and underwear set. That's 20 bucks. Like the princess, the prices are amazing. They got a period underwear bundle, a 9-pack, which are a little bit thicker panties. Really, really nice and comfortable. So if you don't like these ones, you would like the period ones if you like a regular cotton panty all the time. And that's $40 for a 9-pack with the really nice panties. I'm just scrolling to see if they had anything new. But I mean, like I said, you want to check them out because they always got new deals, new stuff. I'm hoping that they come out with a pajama set, you know, like a winter pajama set, and maybe a really heavy robe for winter, maybe a pair of slippers. I want some slippers. I'd love for them to come out with a pajama box. Love that. Anyways, I'm going to show you what my panties are. The envelope down there. And it comes in the envelope. It cost me $12.46 every month for 3 pairs of panties, which are fabulous. I've been with this company now, like, oh my God, well over 2 years. It could be 3 now, right? But I had to go through my drawer because I have no more room. I have no more space in my drawer, so I have to go through my panties and pick out my favorite ones and throw the rest away because I have no more room in my drawer for panties. Seriously. I remember back in the day when I probably had 7 pairs, you know, when I was a mom and I didn't buy anything for myself. Don't do that. If you're just new, you just, you know, your first child, she's a baby, he's a baby, they're young. Don't forget about yourself. seriously, you have to put yourself first. You really do. And I know it's hard. We all say now, oh my God, excuse me, acid reflux, go away. Whoo, whoo, it's right up my back. Hold on, everybody. Oh, it's right up my back and it's going up my jaw. Hold on. That is brutal. The pain goes right up, like right up my spine, and it goes in my jaw. It's brutal. Acid reflux is brutal. Yes, I take my medication. I can't believe it's happening right now. Oh goodness, it's hard to breathe. Okay, I gotta get this video done so I can go have a cup of tea. I even, like, 4 o'clock this morning, I got up and had to have a cup of tea and some Tums because of it. Go away. Just go away. And I'm going bowling. It's bowling night. Oh, by the way, I have Glossybox and Look Fantastic. I'm going to try to find time to unbox that tomorrow. I don't know when. I'm in the office until about 5 o'clock. And my live is tomorrow night. I think last week I said it was going to be Friday night, and then I'm not sure. Throughout the week I probably said Saturday night, but it's not. My live is Friday, and I'm 6 minutes into the video. Tomorrow night, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time is my live, okay? Tomorrow night. Okay, first pair of panties are... Oh, I like these. They're leopards. They're like a pink leopard pattern. Oh, they feel really nice and soft and silky. Oh, excuse me, guys. I'm burping the whole way through this video. I'm sorry. But these are gorgeous. I love the pink leopard pattern. Very nice. Like these. I love the feel of them too. They're very silky. Love the material. Really nice and silky. The next pair are these. I would imagine come next month we'll probably get like a Christmas theme package, which I'm excited for. I can't wait for that. To see what Christmassy ones they're going to send next month. Oh, I like these too. Look at that. And I love, you know, I always thought, I say it all the time, for the longest time, if you go back to my earliest videos, for the first year, I think, I was like, oh, I don't really like this material. And then one day I started to wear it, and now I love this material. It's so soft. I always thought it was going to be itchy, but it's not. It's so soft. And look at that on the sides. Like, I mean, how cute and sexy, right? I love that. And these are going to be perfect. They're going to stay up over my hips because I have a flat rear. My rear is flat, so it's hard for me because it's so flat. So that's perfect. They'll stay up over my hips and won't fall down. Because that's happened. I'm not embarrassed. You know, I'm not ashamed. They've fallen down before because of my body shape. And it is what it is, okay? I don't need to go and get a bum lift or nothing like that. I am who I am. Whatever God made me, God made me. That's all I'm saying. I mean, yeah, I can do some exercise, but I'm not into that, okay? That's too much work. Anyway, love these. Love them. Love the design right here, too. The little bands right here. And these are the last pair, and I got a feeling I'm going to like these. Because I like comfort. I like it to be cute and sexy, but I like comfort. And I'll go for, probably every time, I'll go for comfort. And these are it right here. Love these. I love these. They're cotton, they're soft, and they're going to be so comfortable. You know what they look like? I swear to God. They look like little boys' underwear. You know what I'm talking about? They had a little white thing right here. That's what if they were blue, that's what they would look like. Oh, but you know what? They're going to be so comfortable, nice and soft. Love them. Love them. I got to say, I think these ones are my favorite this month. It's a very comfortable month for me, I think. I do love these. These are definitely going to be my favorite. I'm going to love those ones. And I love these too. Love these. I love that. Because they're staying up over my hips. You know, love that. And then if they, you know, start to fall down, I just pull on this part and up they go, right? Anybody else have that problem, or is that just me, you know? And then we have these ones right here. I love the leopard print. Very, very, very cute. Love that. So that's the 3 pairs of Knotty knickers that I got this month for November. Can't wait to see what's coming out for Christmas. That's always exciting. Okay, so on to the Knotty Knickers giveaway. So whoever wins, get in touch with me and just let me know what size, what package, and your address and your email address. I need all of that because I'll send all of that over to Knotty Knickers. And Knotty Knickers, they send you the panties. I don't send them. They send them to you directly, okay? Okay. All right. There was only 4 people who entered the giveaway in my comments in Knotty Knickers video. I'm going to pull out the names. I got it all written down here. So we got Miss Jen, Gen Z, right here. Gen Z. And I'm going to put them in my little IPSY bag that I got yesterday. The weird bag. It looks like a Christmas bag. We got Miss Virginia Martin. She entered the giveaway. Hi, Miss Virginia. And we have Miss Rosie Sandu. She entered the giveaway. And this, by the way, it is for Canadians and Americans because you also can get Knotty Knickers in America. Don't forget, you know. And the last person who entered the giveaway was Miss WPG Girl. She entered the giveaway. So, I'm going to give her a shake. Shake awake. Shake awake. And the winner is WPG Girl. You won, Knotty Knickers. You won. WPG Girl, reach out to me, you know, either through Twitter or Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email and let me know all of that stuff, your size, which package you prefer, as well as your email and your address. And I'll send that on over to Knotty Knickers. I'm not going to have a giveaway for next month because I don't know how many pairs I have left in the bank. I knew I had enough left for one giveaway, but I don't know if I have enough left for another one for, like, say, December. So when I send them this email, I'm going to ask them. And if they say, oh, yeah, girl, you got 3 more pairs, then when I get my December Knotty Knickers, on that video, I'll do a shout out and say, hey, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and I'll pick the winner in January kind of thing, right? So that is that. Anyways, again, live is Friday night, tomorrow night, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I've probably been saying Saturday on all of my videos this week. I know last week on my live, I said it was Friday. Ian's at work. It's this Friday night. Ian is at work. So it's always easier to have the live when he's at work and when he works the Friday, Sunday, because he's got to go to bed really early on Saturday. That's why I have my live on the Friday when he works the Friday, Sunday. You get that, right? Anyways, I'm going to go now and hopefully get this video edited and upload it before I go to bowling. Bye. Love you.